3, 2, 1, start. Counsel for the petitioner submits that petitioner was appointed on the post of conductor as daily wager wide order dated 22/6/1993. Services of the petitioner were terminated by the respondents. The petitioner assailed the above order before the Industrial Tribunal Jaipur by way of filing an application stanza. It was pleaded before the tribunal that services of the petitioner were terminated without getting any approval and without any notice or payment of compensation. Counsel submits that aforesaid action of the respondents has not been found to be justified by the tribunal and the impugned order dated 16/11/1993 has been quashed and set aside. The tribunal has directed the respondents to reinstate the petitioner with continuity in service on the post held by him, and further direction was also issued to the respondents to pay 50% of the back wages. Counsel submits that when the directions issued by the tribunal were not complied with by the respondents, a compromise took place between the parties on 9/7/2004 on certain terms and conditions. The petitioner agreed to forego the back wages and he deposited the penalty amount of rupees 6,000 with the respondent corporation stanza. Counsel submits that condition of the argument agreement was clear and specific that petitioner would be taken back in service and his service would be regularized. An order was passed in this regard. In continuity of that order, the regularization order of the petitioner was passed by the respondents and the services of the petitioner were regularized. The petitioner thereafter the regular pay scale was given to the petitioner and status of the petitioner was shown as regular employee in his service record stanza. Counsel submits that all of sudden a notice was issued to the petitioner for deleting the condition of the order. Petitioner submitted a reply to the aforesaid notice, but without considering the averments mentioned in the reply. Respondents have passed the impugned order and the condition of the order was deleted, and again the petitioner was reinstated as daily wager on the post of conductor. Accordingly, the order was passed to recover the excess salary paid to the petitioner by treating him as regular employee stanza. Counsel submits that the impugned order is not sustainable in the eye of law and the same is liable to be quashed and set aside by this court, and appropriate order be passed for issuing directions to the respondents to treat that the services of the petitioner is regular employee and accordingly all consequential benefits be granted to him. Counsel submits that during pendency of this petition, the petitioner has retired after attaining the age of superannuation, so appropriate orders be passed in favor of the petitioner. Stanza. Per contra, learned counsel for the respondents opposed the arguments raised by the learned counsel for the petitioner and submits that in the light of the circular, the petitioner's services were liable to be regularized after 3 years of reinstatement. Petitioner was reinstated back in service and in compliance of services of the petitioner were regularized. Stanza. Counsel submits that under these circumstances the mistake committed by the respondents was rectified by the impugned order and no legality has been caused by the respondents by passing the above order. Hence, interference of this court is not warranted. Here the considered the submissions made at the bar and perused the material available on record. Stanza. This fact is not in dispute that petitioner was appointed on the post of conductor as daily wager. This fact is also not in dispute that services of the petitioner were terminated by the respondents and the Labour Court quashed the impugned termination order of the petitioner and passed an award by issuing direction to the respondents to reinstate the petitioner back in service and further directed to make the payment of 50% back wages to him with continuity in service. Stanza. This fact is also not in dispute that subsequently a compromise took place between the parties with certain terms and conditions. Thereafter, order was passed with the understanding between the parties that services of the petitioner would be reinstated back and the order of the regularization would be passed. In terms of the agreed order, the petitioner was reinstated back in the service with 50% back wages and he has not claimed the same from the respondents. Apart from the above, he was directed to deposit the amount of penalty of rupees 6,000 over.